Hi, my name is Lori Turner, CEO and founder of RedRover. And for decades, clients have been coming to me with essentially the same problem: transforming marketing investments into measurable business growth. That's the holy grail, right? Even with substantial budgets, companies often miss their growth targets because their strategy is fragmented and their expertise is misaligned. The solution is straightforward: bring together the right specialist armed with deep data insights to create a battle tested marketing plan that delivers measurable results. And at Red Rover, we call this the War Room Strategy Debate. And this week, I'm letting you in on the secret of what goes on behind our closed doors. I'm giving you the agenda I use to facilitate every hour of the War Room Strategy debates I hold with my team when we're building a results guaranteed marketing plan for our clients. By the end of this 2-day session, you can have complete confidence in your marketing plan, knowing every aspect of your marketing strategy is absolutely battle tested and ready to conquer the market. If you'd like external support for your war room, feel free to reach out to me at hello@marketingresultsguarantee.com, and I'd be delighted to assist. Thanks.